Plenty like a Georgia peach tree, picking sweet tweet behind the scenes, running down your knees. Water flooding me, feeling, up to my teeth. I looked over to the left.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a shoe unboxing, as you seen by the title. Yes, I'm super excited to be filming some more for y'all this week, but stay tuned because I got a lot of videos planned for y'all. I love y'all so much. Let's get right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for more videos with me. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all so much, and let's get right into this video. Cardi B launched y'all another Reebok collab, so I was like, I have to hop on it because honestly the colors are bomb. And y'all already know I love me some reds, I love me some burgundy, some deep red burgundies, and she had a whole collection of burgundy. So I would definitely be doing this shoe unboxing, and then I will also be doing the clothing haul as well too. She launched this on the 27th of August. So I'm super duper excited to just get into this unboxing because honestly I did an unboxing before of Cardi B's shoes. I did the double club C shoes coated, so I will leave that in the description box if y'all want to go ahead and watch it, or I'll leave it in the cards above. But I did purchase some shoes from her, and I did an unboxing as well too, so if y'all want to check that out then you can. So this one is the women's Reebok Cardi B classic leather casual shoes, and I paid $110 for these shoes, y'all, and then shipping was free. And then taxes was $880, so I paid $118.80. So I'll put that on the screen for y'all and all that jazz. And let's just get into it because honestly I need to show y'all what this shoe is giving. I will link it down below if y'all want to still go purchase it. There's still some sizes left, so if you want to purchase it then you can. Let's see. Cardi B's classic leather women's shoes. Classic leather shoes that evoke the fearless personality of Cardi B. Pure Cardi, all Reeboks. Every detail on these women's leather shoes takes design cues from her personality. Transparent details show off her down-to-earth attitude. Bold and fierce color evokes her personality. It came in a regular brown box, but I finally was able to get an actual Reebok box. So this is what it looks like. This is the box. Cardi B. When I tell you Cardi B did not come to play with y'all with these burgundy colors. She didn't come to play. Look at this. Do it like it's my B-day, baby. Do it like it's my B-day. Girl, look at these shoes. It looks so good. It looks so good. Doing so good. So good. Size 10. I just wanted some more room. Look at that. Look at this shoe. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. And it's very thick at the bottom. Very heavy for the fall, for the winter. This shoe will never go out of style. This color will never go out of style. This is so pretty and I love it. I love it. This is what it looks like. Hopefully y'all can see really what it's giving, because I know my background looks kind of the same as the shoe, and then it has Cardi B in the inside of it, which is absolutely beautiful, and it's like suede right here too as well. And then it looks just, and it has the Reeboks right here. Like, it looks so good, so good. Like, what the frick. Let's look at the other shoe. Reeboks. I think this is her second collab with Reeboks. I'll give y'all a whole 360. And when I show you these outfits that I got with this shoe, oh my god, it is beyond amazing. I love every intricate detail of these shoes. She really took her time to like really give us what we needed. It definitely gives what it needs to give, okay, period. Because honestly, and I love the color. I love the color so much, y'all. You don't understand. Like, it's so freaking cute. Like, the detailing is everything. Look at this part of it. Look at the detailing. Beautiful detailing. Beautiful. Look at that. At the bottoms. The bottoms are beautiful. Like, look at the bottoms. What the freak? The size of the shoe is literally everything. I'm happy of my purchase. I'm really happy of my purchase, and I wouldn't trade getting any color shoe. This is the color shoe I like, absolutely, and I'll be wearing this a lot, like a lot. Like my other shoe, I've worn it before, but I haven't worn it as much as I want to wear this shoe. So I would definitely link them down below and see what other sites that they still have them in stock, because honestly, I won't be surprised if it's all sold out. I know the white is sold out, I think, and the green, the olive green, is sold out, but there might be some burgundy left. There is some burgundy left on the Reebok site, but I'll definitely try to see if there's anything else on other sites. So yeah, but that is the end of this video, y'all. Very simple. Hopefully you guys like this unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for more videos with me. I do greatly appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Anything for club, do anything for club, do anything for club, do anything for club. They do anything for club, do anything for club. Watch your mouth, stay in your place, get out the way. My on your ass, Kim K. Yeah, no disrespect, the nigga be tripping, but we love, yeah. Tripping, swapping, I cost on my. I bought her the limo, she bought me the Wraith. Swap it, practice, make perfect, nigga. It's never too late. Never. I take the out of the snake, I take the soul out of the snake. Then I take the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it, DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gonna bite on the bait. Nah, sipping no time. Plenty like a Georgia peach tree, picking sweet tweet behind the scenes, running down your knees. What if